What's up, my foxy friends? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick unboxing of my actual Boxyluxe for June 2020. So I unboxed what I thought was Boxyluxe, but it was actually my Boxy Premium. So I changed the title, but I finally, the subscription box gods were looking out for me because the two Boxyluxes that I was waiting for and said they were at the post office, well, I went online and I scheduled a redelivery even though I never got a slip. I just put the dates they were attempted to be delivered and I tried to schedule a redelivery, and the next day they showed up. So is it bad that I unboxed one of them driving to work? I was like waiting for them for so long. I'm like, I can't wait until I'm done working to look in this box. I'm gonna look at it now, damn it. So I just worked 13 hours. I have to be at a doctor's appointment real soon. I just came home, took off my scrubs, put on my clueless outfit to unbox my two Boxyluxes because I have to go to a doctor's appointment. And I was taking thumbnail pictures like with no lashes, and I'm like, yeah, you know what, I'm gonna take some pictures with no lashes, like fuck it. And I started taking them. I'm like, like I always have time for lashes. So but this one's not wanting to stay. I tried to use that. Okay, I don't have time to be talking or blabbering. I'm gonna be going through this very quickly. So Boxyluxe, it comes to like 50 bucks. So let's get into it. I have a feeling I'm going to be getting a lot of duplicates, but that's the name of the game. Okay, so for the first thing is this Kylee Skin foaming face wash, 5 fluid ounces. So I've never personally been inclined to spend my money on anything that was made by Kylie Jenner, but that's just my prerogative. You do you. But if they want to send it to me in Boxyluxe, that's fine with me. So this looks like a very lightweight cleanser. I do like the packaging. I mean, it's pastel pink, like I adore it. It smells pretty good. Okay. So our luxurious foaming face wash. Well, I don't have time to be reading this shit. Okay, great. Love you, Kylie. So this retails for $24. Okay, that's for my other box, but I'm seeing if there are any duplicates, and there are. So next is this Tarte Pro eyeshadow palette. But you know what? Duplicates, it's good for you guys, because when the giveaway I have that's going on now is over, there's going to be some good shit in there. So, ooh, I like the packaging. It's like matte and then gold. Oops. It's very pretty. There's 16 matte shades, 4 shimmer shades. This would be good for, you know, matte looks and purple smoky eyes. They do have a look card, which I love. So that's awesome. This retails for $49. Alright, the next product is this $1 Billion Brows Charcoal 5-piece brush set. So, ooh, I ripped it. That'll do mine if there's a duplicate. Alright, so what does it say on here? Alright, let me do, ooh, you got a nice like concealer packer brush. You got a small like blending brush. You got a shader brush. You have a contour or blush or bronzer. I'd probably do this bronzer and this blush, but that's just me personally. They feel very soft, very nice. Okay, I'm not mad at you. I love brushes. And so this retails for $55. Next is this Tula, I don't know, Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. That sounds pretty cool. I like the packaging. That's pretty dope. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, it's how freaking cool. It's a stick. Oh my god, that's so awesome. That's really sick. I like that. I like that a lot. I wish I knew where the card for this box was so I could tell you the information about it, but I don't. I'm sorry. Okay, I really like that. All right, moving right along. The next product is this Touch in Soul No Problem Prime Essence. This is actually a primer that I already have, so you know this will be going in the giveaway. But it's a really good primer. If you've tried the original No Problem, this is just more of like a serum consistency. It's lighter and more hydrating for sure. Probably like $28, I'm gonna say. And then we have this Pure Heals Propolis Sleeping Mask. So, sleeping mask enriched with 80% honeybee propolis extract provides full nourishment and glowing skin for tired skin while you sleep. Okay, okay. I just got a sleeping, oh, there's the little spatula. Ooh, that's a really nice jar. It's really heavy and very, like, nice. It feels like it's gonna be, like, high quality. Okay, so now is this Bodyography Lip Pencil 2-pack. I don't like when they give lip pencils in Boxyluxe, but I mean, I guess if there's 2 in there, like, I guess you can get away with it. BoxyChannel, I'm trying to be slick. Oh, but we'll give you 2 of them. Girl, please. Okay, so we have like a burgundy and a nude lip liner. I think they're both very wearable colors, and most women will have shades that they will be able to use them with. Pretty popular colors. So, let me see about this. This retails for $28. So then, the last product is a fucking stone in a bag. Like, Gaia Chateau. My lash is coming off, I know it. Excuse me, y'all. Oh my god, I'm gonna be so late for my doctor. Okay. So I'm just gonna work with one eye for now, one lash. Cleanse face and skin. Prep skin with favorite OSHA facial oil or serum. Hold skin against 15-degree angle and apply light to medium pressure under the eyes. Gently sweep from inner to... Like, it's a stone. Like, might use it as a paperweight. Like, I really doubt that that's gonna do anything. Like, seriously. Okay. Let's get into the second one. There are quite a few repeats I already see, so I'm just going to go through them very quickly. There is another one of the Tarte Pro palettes. There is another Kylee Skin face wash. There is another Tula Glow and Get It Brightening Eye Balm. You know what? I think this was my choice. There is another, and then there was another of this $1 Billion Brows Brush Kit. I told you this giveaway is going to be good. There's another lip pencil duo. Okay, there are a few things that are different. I mean, for real. This is the Malin and Golet's go with, well, I don't know, recovery treatment oil. Okay, it looks like a nice oil. All right, great, moving right along. Next, BoxyCharm, I'm disappointed in you. You know, I did not put that I like BB creams on my profile. This is a Pure Lease Perfect Glow BB Cream, SPF 30, oil-free, moisturizing, natural looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish. SPF 30, I mean, if you're into that, cool, but I'm not. All right, now this is Eco Modern Essentials Goddess Duo Self-Care Pure Essential Oil Blends. I do have a oil diffuser. I could also use these in soaps. Calm and De-Stress. Oh, that smells good. And Woman's Blend. Okay, I like that. It smells good. Okay, better than a freaking rock. Let me see how much this box was worth since I have the information to this one. So this second Boxyluxe box retailed for $341. They're trying to say that that recovery treatment oil is $82. Girl, please. And I mean, I'm sure that the other box has a very similar value since I got a lot of the same products, but overall, I am very pleased with this Boxyluxe. I don't feel like I got much makeup though. Just the palettes and the lip pencils, that's really it. I would have liked to have gotten more makeup. There is that primer, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about these boxes in the comment below. Which one do you think is better, 1 or 2? And the second box is variation number 11. I don't know about the other one because I don't know where the paper is, but I hope you enjoyed this video. I need to go to my doctor's appointment. I love you guys. I will see you next time. Peace.